Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam. Today, the auspicious day of our predecessor spiritual master, Om Vishwapad, Paramahansa Parivrajagacharya, Ashtottara Srimad Bhaktisiddhante Sarasvati Thakurja, Prabhupada. Srila Bhaktisiddhante Sarasvati Thakur's mission, apart from his life, we are especially stressing on the mission of Bhaktisiddhante Sarasvati Thakur. This place, Mayapur, was formerly known as Miyapur. Mostly it is inhabited by the Mohammedans. Somehow or other it converted into the name of Miyapur instead of Mayapur. Still, people are very much doubtful where is the birth site of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Bhaktivinoda Thakur was researching to find out the actual place under the direction of Jagannath Das Babaji Maharaj. This present Yogapitha was ascertained to be the birth site of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. So, Bhaktivinoda Thakur in the beginning wanted to develop this place very gloriously, befitting the holy name of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. So he started this movement of developing Mayapur. He could not finish it, so it was handed down to Bhaktisiddhante Sarasvati Thakur. So under his effort, assisted by his disciples, this place has gradually developed, and our attempt is also to develop this place. Therefore, we have named this temple Mayapur Chandrodaya. We have got great ambition to develop this place nicely and gloriously. And fortunately, we are now connected with foreign countries, especially with the Americans. Bhaktivinoda Thakur's great desire was that the Americans would come here and develop this place, and they would chant and dance along with the Indians. So, his dream, as well as Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's foretelling, Prithivite Ashe Jato Nagaradi Gram, Sadvatra Prachar Haive More Now. So, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu desired that all Indians to take part ভারত ভূমিতে মনুষ্য জন্ম হইল যার, জন্ম সার্থক করি করো পরোপকার। This is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's mission. Paropokar. Paropokar means to do good to us. Of course, in the human society, there are many different branches of doing good to others, welfare societies, but more or less, quite more or less, almost completely, they think that this body is ourselves, and to do some good to the body is welfare activity. But actually that is not welfare activity, because in the Bhagavad-gita we understand very clearly, antavatu ime deha nittasota saririna. This body is antavat. Anta means it will be finished. Everyone knows. This body is not permanent, it will be finished. Anything material, bhutta bhutta praliyate, it has a date of birth, it stays for some time, and then it annihilates. So the spiritual education begins from the understanding that I am not this body. This is spiritual education. The Bhagavad-gita, the first instruction given by Krishna to Arjuna is this, that we are not this body. Because Arjuna was speaking from the bodily platform, so Krishna chastised him. Asatyananusūchastam prajñāvādāṁ bhāsas. Arjuna, you are talking like a very learned man, but you are lamenting on the subject matter on which no learned man laments. Asatyananusūchastam. So, such kind of welfare activity concerning the body, like hospital and so many other things, they are good undoubtedly, but the ultimate goal is to see the interest of the soul. That is the ultimate goal. That is the whole Vedic instruction. And Krishna begins from this point. Dehinasmin yatha dehi kaumara yogakya.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,